of each derivative using a graph, so pure estimation. So when it asks you to estimate the value of each derivative, you're just taking the tangent line of like the point that it's giving you. So at -3, we'll look on the graph and we'll find that x equals -3 over here. And to estimate the value, we'll take this point and the line on this point and just draw a perfectly corresponding line. So it's like a tangent. This is a tangent, right? And to find the value from the tangent, we're just taking the slope. And slope is rise over run. So that would mean 1, 2, 1, 2. That would mean 2 over 2, and that's equals to 1. But the slope isn't quite 1 because the line is like in this direction. If the line was in this direction, it'd be positive, but in this direction, it's a negative slope. So the answer would be -1. So when we look at -2, which is what this part B is asking next, you'll notice that the tangent line kind of looks like this, because if you look at the bottom of the curve, it's like straight. And when you have a line like this, the slope is just 0, because there is no slope. It's staying on the x-axis the whole time. So then let's evaluate -1. You guys can try this, pause the video, but -1 over here, we're going to look at here and draw a tangent line corresponding to this, right? And this should be a slope of around 1/2 right here. And since it's facing positive direction, your answer here would be 1/2. And then when we look at 0 over here, you're gonna again trace another tangent line, and you should get 3 over 2, which is just 1.5, and you should get a positive 1.5. And then a 1, and this one's a little bit tricky, but at 1, trace it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Should give you like, well, I traced it wrong. You should get something like this. Yeah. 6 divided by 2. And you should get 3. And so for the rest of the questions here, 2 and 3, after you do the tracing, you should get 0. And then for 3, -1.5. Just do it on your own. And also, if you're wondering why 3 is a negative, it's because over here at 3, the slope is this direction.